If you've ever wished for an air fryer with a different design, kind of like a UFO, even heating and smart functionality, the Typhur Dome 2 might be worth considering. But does it improve the air frying experience or does it create new limitations? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Sune, and I'm not just a food enthusiast, I'm a full-blown food geek, and I'm here to share my passion and knowledge with you. Air fryers have taken over kitchens by using high-powered fans to circulate hot air, creating crispy, golden textures without deep frying. Unlike a traditional oven, which uses radiant heat and often requires longer cooking times, an air fryer's rapid air circulation speeds things up and achieves similar crispiness with no oil. But is an air fryer really that different from a convection oven? Well, convection ovens also use a fan to circulate hot air, helping food cook faster and more evenly. The most significant difference is volume. Air fryers are much smaller, which means that they heat up faster and may use less electricity than a full-sized oven. So do you need an air fryer? Well, the answer depends on your cooking habits. Let's go over the pros. An air fryer cooks faster than a conventional oven. It uses less oil than deep frying while still achieving crispiness. The smaller size can make it more energy efficient for small meals. And it's great for frozen foods, fries, and crispy textures. The cons includes limited cooking space compared to an oven. Some foods still require flipping for even cooking. It's not always necessary if you already have a convection oven, and it can take up counter space if you don't use it frequently. The Typhur Dome 2 takes a different approach to air frying. Most air fryers rely on a single top heating element and a fan, leading to uneven cooking, requiring you to flip the food mid-cycle. The Dome 2 includes a heating element on both the top and the bottom, meaning that it cooks from both sides. Whether this is a significant improvement depends on what you typically cook. Some foods benefit from flipping for better texture, while others cook more evenly without it. One of the most noticeable differences is the shape of the Dome 2. Traditional air fryers use deep baskets, leading to stacking and uneven cooking. The Dome 2, however, features a wide, shallow cooking area measuring 32 by 32 centimeters, 12.5 inches by 12.5 inches, with a 5 centimeter, 2-inch height, allowing food to cook in a single layer. This improves crisping and consistency, but also introduces a new limitation. Foods with more height, like a whole chicken or certain roasts, won't fit. So while it solves one problem, it creates another. Another key feature is its smart functionality. Unlike many air fryers, the Dome 2 connects to an app that lets you control settings, track cooking progress, and even activates its self-cleaning function, which burns off grease and food particles at a high temperature for easier maintenance. This could be viewed as a negative for some people. You do you. In this video, I focus on regular air frying functions, but in a future video, I'll explore its baking potential. Can it handle sourdough or other baked goods? We'll find out. If you'd like to support the channel, please consider joining my Patreon. You can also buy some merch, or use the super thanks, or check out the links for tools and ingredients in the description. Those were the words. This is the review. You can find the written review on my website. Just follow the link in the description. Alright, I will try many of the usual things that people make in an air fryer, like bacon, wings, and french fries. But also some more uncommon things that the Dome 2 opens up for. Pizza and steak. Let's start with bacon. I grab the basket, remove the grill plate, and add the bacon slices. Ask me how I know how to do this. The fan is so powerful that the bacon slices flew around, but adding the grill plate on top makes perfect bacon slices. I'm using the suggested time of 10 minutes for bacon in the app. So let's have a look. These slices are very well caramelized, just how I like them. If you want your bacon less crispy, maybe lower the time by a minute or two. Let me try them. Wow, hear that crisp. All right, let me try thick cut bacon. I'll go with the same 10 minutes. Let's see how that affects the texture. It's not as brown. Let me try it. Crispy in spots, soft in places. My wife would love these. All right, let's try some frozen wings. These say they're spicy, but I bet they're Danish spicy, which means that they may have a bit of black pepper on them. Ooh, these look delicious. Wow, they're spicy, but not a lot, but still surprising. Let's try something that you can't usually make in an air fryer. Pizza. I just got a small margarita. It doesn't look bad. Real cheese. The pizza program has to preheat first, so we'll go through that. Once it's hot, I add the pizza. Then it cooks for 14 minutes for a thin crust pizza. Wow, that doesn't look bad. Let me spice it up a bit. I'll cut it and try it.
Oh, hot.
Ooh, ouch. That is hot. Very good. I'd like to see how it does on a fresh pizza. Let's move on to a classic air fryer food, French fries. I'll put it on the program for rectal fries. It says to shake it midway, so I'll do that. They look good and crispy. I'll add a teaspoon of oil to improve the mouthfeel, and then add some kosher salt and some black pepper. And then toss it a bit. Very nice. Lastly, I'll make a steak because this air fryer has a steak mode. I already dried off the steak. I add some olive oil. And seasoning. steak mode. It says to preheat and remove the grill plate. When it's hot, I add the steak. Wow, hear that sizzle? It says that it will take 10 minutes. It might be hard to tell when it's done without a thermometer, but I'll go by texture. Seems nice and done. I would have liked more browning, but it'll be red inside. I'll let it rest with some delicious butter on top. All right, let's cut it. That is delicious steak. I can live with that. As I tested the Typhur Dome 2, I noticed that its dual heating elements helped avoid the flipping problem found in many models. And the shallow, wide cooking space allows for even results compared to basket-style fryers. One of the most significant advantages is its large cooking area, making it possible to cook bigger batches at once without stacking food. This also makes it particularly well suited for pizza, which benefits from its even top and bottom heating. No, it doesn't hit wood-fired oven temperatures, but it does get up there. At the same time, the height limitation means it's not as versatile for cooking taller items. The design and the size of the Dome 2 might be divisive. Some will appreciate the wide, shallow layout for even cooking, while others may find it limiting compared to a traditional basket-style air fryer. It could be a great fit if you mostly cook foods that fit within its dimensions. But if you want more flexibility, a traditional air fryer or even a convection oven might still be the better option. Personally, I will live with the height limitation for the other benefits the Dome 2 delivers. The self-cleaning function is convenient, but since it operates at a high temperature, it can produce smoke, something to keep in mind if you have sensitive smoke alarms. This one will find its place on my kitchen counter, although a lot of space is needed. If you want to purchase the Typhur Dome 2, use my affiliate links in the pinned comment. You will also get a 10% discount using the code Foodgeek. This code stacks with other sales. Please consider that I will profit from your purchase when weighing my review. So, what do you think of the Typhur Dome 2? Does its design solve a problem for you, or do you see the height limitation as a deal breaker? And do you think air fryers are truly better than convection ovens, or just a more compact, less energy efficient option? Let me know in the comments. I hope you learned something today. See you next time.